Okay? Well, I hope that helps. Yes, patience is going to be a virtue you're going to need. I agree. Okay, talk with you soon. Hello, hey, my name is Harry Bing with Remax 200 Bing Home Advisory Group. And we help first-time home buyers and others prepare for the dream of home ownership. Our vision is to help people acquire that dream with the least amount of financial impact. Recently, I've been talking with quite a few people about the COVID-19, and they're trying to figure out how do they use this time to work on getting their credit scores where they need to be so that they can purchase sometime this year. Well, I have three primary recommendations. Number one, which is 35% of your score, no late payments. Under any circumstances can you allow any late payments. You know, having a late payment is like trying to swim across a lake carrying a brick. So no late payments. Now, number two is often confused with number one. That is called credit utilization. That's how you use your credit cards. You know, not that you pay them on time, but how you use them. And the number you want to remember is 30% because it's actually 30% of your score, but the number you want to keep your usage down to is 30% of the limit. In other words, if you have a $500 card, you never really want to spend more than 30% of that card, okay, on that $500 card, which would be $150. So you need to treat that card as though it was a $150 card. Unfortunately, let me tell you what some people do. They'll see that 65-inch TV for $450 at Sam's, and they say, you know what, I buy it on my card and I pay it off tomorrow. Nope. You're meeting number one, but you're failing on number two because you went over the 30%. If even for a day, it's going to ding your score. So you've got to keep those credit cards in line below 30%. And if you have multiple cards, don't be trying to pay them off one at a time. The key is to get them all below that 30% number and then worry about paying them off one by one. Okay? The third thing is how many dated accounts do you have? Old credit cards, old open accounts. Never close an old open account because that's 15% of your score. So I hope these few little tips help you out a little bit. Hey, this is Harry Bing, your radio realtor. Tune in every Friday morning, 7:45, 1680 on the radio dial, and we'll be telling you about real estate in Central Florida. My number, 321-436-5463. That's 321-436-5463.